What's going on, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So NIO stock is selling off right now, currently down about 7% on the day. And I want to talk to you guys about why NIO stock is selling off. Should you buy NIO stock? Should you sell it right now? And we're also going to do a price prediction, break down some technicals so we can see where NIO stock could be going here in the short term. So if you guys find value, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at StasSurfS if you guys want daily updates. And don't forget to also get yourself 4 free stocks from WeBull down below, which, by the way, that does run out here in the next couple of days, and it's literally free money. Again, linked right down below in the description box. So let's get into it, guys. What the heck is going on with NIO? It's currently down about 7% on the day, and yesterday, late Thursday, we got news they're offering 60 million ADSs, which we'll talk about here in a second what an ADS is, each representing one Class A ordinary share of its stock. The company intends to grant the underwriters in the ADS offering a 30-day option to purchase up to an additional 9 million ADSs. So there can be potentially 69 million out there. New shares coming out in the next couple of weeks. Well, definitely 60 million, and over the next 30 days, maybe an additional 9 million. And what is an ADS? Well, an ADS is an American depository share, right? And these refer to shares in foreign companies that are held by U.S. depository banks and can be traded in the U.S., including on major exchanges. And a lot of the Chinese companies, guys, that is what they are, right? They put out ADSs out there for, foreign investors to get in. And ADSs allow foreign companies access to a wider investor base and the world's most sophisticated financial marketplace. So that's what Chinese companies do, right? So us, U.S. investors, or if you're in Canada, whatever, you could end up getting into these companies through the U.S. exchanges. So overall, that is what's happening in a nutshell, right? A lot of new shares are coming into market and they're devaluing the current existing shares out there, right? That's pretty much in a nutshell what is happening. And now to get into some more details, what is going on a deeper basis, at Thursday's closing price of $45.22, the offering could be worth about $2.7 billion. And with this money, guys, NIO's not going to go to the club and blow the money on bottle service. They're not going to go buy 100 Lamborghinis. They're not going to go blow this money. No, they're going to put this money to good use, as they should, right? The company said it plans to use the net proceeds for research and development of new products and next-generation autonomous driving technologies, which is great, sales and service network expansion and market penetration, which is also great, and general corporate purposes. NIO has planned, and this is huge here, guys, and by the way, NIO Day is coming on the 9th of this upcoming year, 9th of January. NIO has planned a European expansion, and reports also suggest the company is working on an in-house self-driving chip. The company has sounded out intention to launch 2 sedans in 2021, with the first likely to be announced at the NIO Day event scheduled for January. And you guys know Tesla Day events, those are huge, right? They have massive implications on the stock markets or the stock's price, right, for Tesla. And I assume it's going to be the same for NIO, right? And we know that they don't offer sedans right now. So if they bring a sedan into the arsenal of vehicles, that would be fantastic, right? And I think that would be a big, advantage, or not an advantage, a positive here for the stock itself, right? And NIO is not the only company that has raised capital in the past couple of weeks/months, guys. Actually, Tesla's done it as well. Li Auto has done it as well, and same with XPEV. So it goes to show that these companies, their stock's price is going bananas, right? And they want to actually raise more capital to fuel the growth, to fuel the demand, and to fuel all the research and development to actually bring the vision to light. All the autonomous driving, all these new cars, the new sedans coming about. So a lot of these companies are actually raising capital right now. And after its September 2018 initial public offering, this is actually when NIO went public, this isn't the only time that they've actually put new shares, new ADSs out there in the market. They've done it a couple times, right? After its 2018 initial public offering, when it raised about $1 billion by selling 160 million ADSs at $6.26 each, NIO actually priced a 72 million ADS offering on June 11th, 2020 at $5.95. That's crazy. Let me pull up this chart really quickly, the 4-hour chart. I mean, take a look here. Back in June, the stock was right around that $5, $6, $7 level. So they did 72 million shares back on June 11th, 2020 at about $6, raising $428 million in gross proceeds. And they also did another share offering in late August. NIO raised $1.51 billion by offering about 89 million ADSs at $17 each. So they've raised multiple rounds of money here in the past couple of months just by offering more and more shares out in the market, diluting the existing shares, but the stock kept on going up, right? It went up after the first offering, the second offering. It went up from that $17 second offering where they did about 89 million shares at $17. It went all the way up to $60. Now it's pulling down a bit. You guys can see from $58 roughly to about $42 where it is right now. It's pulled down about 30%, and they're doing yet again another offering, right? So what do I personally think about NIO stock? I don't think by any stretch of the imagination that NIO stock is a sell right now. I would not sell NIO by any stretch of the imagination, right? If anything, at this point in time, I would be buying it, right? We have NIO Day coming up again, which is huge. They're going to have some huge announcements on that day. And we've seen before, every time that they've diluted the stock, yeah, it's seen a bit of a pull down. It's seen a bit of consolidation, but it's roared up right after. And am I saying it's going to pop up again just because of that? No, but ideally, the trend that I'm seeing here is holding, right? That's ideal, what we're seeing, that the trend is holding. And with NIO Day coming up, I think we're going higher here than lower. I'm not saying the bottom could be in 100% yet. Sure, we could go down to maybe $39. If I zoom in a bit here on the 20-day chart, you guys can see it, maybe $39, maybe $40. But I don't see it getting, quite honestly, and I could be wrong, I don't see it getting much lower than $40, right? $38. I mean, if it gets to the mid-30s somehow, which I doubt it, that would be a screaming buy. Anything above 40 in my eyes is a screaming buy. And what you guys have to see here, let me just redraw these technicals very quickly. What you guys are noticing is we're actually still in this little downtrend, right? We're still making lower highs here on the hourly chart. You can see it. We haven't broken, whatever. My grammar sucks, guys. We haven't gotten out of this downtrend quite yet, the 50 and the 180 SMA, right? We're still hovering under it. So I need to see some upwards potential, ideally into $46, $47, $50 even. I think $50 could be where the momentum shifts from down to up. But a positive thing is, despite the fact that we are downtrending, we're actually holding $41 to $42 as a pretty nice base, even as we got the news today that they're diluting the shares even further, right? We're still holding $42, which if I pull back to, let's say, the 30-day chart, I mean, 40 to 42 has held ever since the beginning of November. So over a month now, NIO's been able to hold $39, $40. So I'd watch for this downtrend to pop out, $45, $50. And as long as we're above $40, $42, I think we're going higher, right? And if we break $35 or $30 or $38 into the mid-30s, I mean, that would be a blessing in disguise as well, because we could pick up the shares for even cheaper. At that point, they'd be down about 40-45% from their peak. So overall, guys, that's pretty much it, right? Quick little video this morning, this afternoon, whenever you're watching it. And overall, I think NIO is opening up as a buy. It's down over 30%. The share offering could get it down a bit lower, but overall, I think we're going to be going higher after that into NIO day. And again, I could be wrong. Make sure to do your own research, guys. As always, your own due diligence. That's very important. Don't just buy because I'm saying I want to buy more NIO here. That's not the way to go. You have to buy because you have done research and you understand the company and want to buy more, not because one guy on YouTube or multiple people are talking about it, right? So let me know your thoughts down below in the description, or not the description box, gosh, the comment section. Let me know your thoughts. Hit the like button if you guys found value. Make sure to subscribe to the channel while you're at it. We're almost to that goal of 20,000 subscribers. And again, don't forget to get your 4 free stocks, guys. I believe that runs out on the 14th. Who knows? WeBull keeps pushing it back, but you have 3 more days to get those 4 free stocks. So go get those, linked down below in the description box. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. As always, peace out.